Right now as you watch this, an invisible force is rewriting the rules of every industry on Earth. It's not a corporate takeover, not a government policy, but something far more powerful: artificial intelligence. Meet Dr. Chen. Last Tuesday, her AI co-pilot caught a tumor that 8 specialists missed. Over in Tokyo, an AI-designed drug just cut cancer trial times by 63%. And on Wall Street, algorithms now make 87% of trades. This isn't the future. This is your Monday morning. And whether you're ready or not, AI is changing what it means to work, create, and survive in the modern economy. Chapter 1. Medicine's Quantum Leap. Let me show you what's happening at Boston General. Their new resident never sleeps, never complains, and outperforms every human doctor in diagnostics. Meet Dr. Watson, an AI that reviews 10,000 medical papers overnight, spots early-stage cancers in 0.3-second scans, personalizes treatment plans using your DNA. But here's what they're not telling you. This isn't replacing doctors. It's creating a new hybrid profession: AI surgeons who combine machine precision with human compassion. The result? 34% fewer misdiagnoses, 50% faster recoveries, and a looming question: what happens to traditional med schools? Chapter 2. The factory that runs itself. This Tesla plant needs 112 humans. The same output required 3,000 workers in 2010. Walk through its pulsating heart and you'll find self-programming robots that learn from mistakes, eye quality control, spotting defects, invisible to humans, algorithms, predicting supply chain disasters, 8 weeks early. Yet down the road, something extraordinary is happening. Laid-off auto workers are reskilling as robot whisperers, earning 60% more to train and maintain these systems. The lesson? AI doesn't eliminate jobs. It vaporizes old roles and births strange new ones. Chapter 3. Wall Street's Robot Overlords. At Citadel's trading floor, the last human trader retired in 2022. What replaced him? A war of self-improving algorithms that process earnings calls in 0.04 seconds, detect insider trading patterns from satellite images, execute 19,000 micro trades per second. But the real disruption? AI hedge funds now offer personalized indices. Your portfolio automatically rebalances based on life events like having kids or divorcing. The irony? These same AIs are quietly buying up robotics firms that replace human labor, a perfect self-fulfilling prophecy. Chapter 4. Creative Apocalypse. Pixar's new secret weapon isn't in California. It's an AI named StoryGen that develops 200 plot variants overnight, animates rough scenes in minutes, tests ending with synthetic focus groups. Yet, when Disney tried going fully AI last year, audiences revolted. Why? The missing ingredient is human irrationality, that spark of madness no algorithm can replicate. Now we're seeing the rise of AI whisperers, creative directors who blend machine efficiency with human soul. They're earning 5x traditional artists by working smarter, not harder. Chapter 5. Your AI-proof career. Here's the uncomfortable truth. AI will disrupt your job, but not how you think. The safest careers share 3 traits: hybrid intelligence, surgeons using AI diagnostics, emotional labor, nurses, therapists, teachers, AI training. The $350 HR job. No one saw coming. My advice? Stop competing with AI. Start leveraging it. The radiologists thriving today aren't those who resisted, but those who learned to audit AI diagnoses for $500 an hour. Chapter 6. The Global Reckoning. This isn't just about jobs. It's about power. China's AI surveillance can predict protests before they happen. Amazon's algorithms now run entire towns. The US military is testing AI generals. We're entering an era where the line between tool and ruler blurs. The question isn't if AI will change everything, but who will control how it does. Chapter 7. Surviving the shift. History shows 2 responses to disruption: the weavers who smashed textile machines and starved, the ones who learned to operate them and prospered. Your playbook. Upskill in AI collaboration, free Google courses, specialize in what AI can't replicate: creativity, ethics. Own AI tools. Prompt engineering is the new Excel. The choice ahead: in 1900, 60% of Americans farmed. Today, 1%. That transition created more jobs than it destroyed, just different ones. AI will be bigger, faster, more personal. The winners won't be those who fear change, but those who ride the wave. Your move,